Molex Microlock Plus are high-temperature wire-to-board connectors that provide secure mating without sacrificing compactness. Microlock Plus have a 1.25mm pitch and a wide latch with an audible click for positive locking. Microlock Plus can operate at up to 105 degrees Celsius to meet automotive industry requirements. Headers have robust metal solder tabs for PCB retention and solder joint strain relief, and the contacts have tin bismuth plating to prevent whiskering at a lower cost than gold plating. Contacts are rated to 50 volts and 1.5 amps and have a dual contact design to further increase reliability. Connectors are available in single and dual row versions with 2 to 42 circuits and in various colors to aid assembly. Molex Microlock Plus are ideal when compact, reliable connectors are needed in automotive, industrial, and consumer applications.